What is going on, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to do a quick tool haul. I picked up some 12-volt extreme tools from Lowe's, as well as a flex kit, the hammer drill and impact driver kit. I also picked up a 6-pack or a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries from Lowe's, and then the Atomic series and the 5 amp hours I picked up at Home Depot. Crescent stuff in the corner I picked up at Tractor Supply, and I got some stuff down here also from Walmart that we'll do some videos on. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So this, I'm just going to do a kind of a bulk tool haul short video. We'll do, you know, the separate videos like we always do. Alright, so this is everything I picked up other than what's on the floor. I actually have a bunch of stuff from Walmart right here. Stuff that my wife wanted that I just grabbed a bunch of and surprised her. But, so I picked up these 2 extreme tools and this 2 6 amp hour 21700 cells pack from so these 4 tools, so these 2 batteries, these 2 extreme 12-volt tools, and the flex kit from Lowe's. I picked up the 2 tape measures from Home Depot. I picked up the 2 Atomic, the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch, and I got for each of these tools I got a free 5. So this is 199 bucks. You got a free $159 5 amp hour. This one's 199 bucks. You got a free 5. And I'll give you guys a quick update. I also got this little nifty blade pack. So at Lowe's, this is the most common 18650 2 amp hour battery you get with most tools. So this battery at Lowe's, this battery right here at Lowe's is $99, and that's a 18650 2 amp hour. This 2-pack of 6 amp hour 20 volt 21700 cell batteries are $169. They're actually on sale, and the gentleman that grabbed these for me up at the top rafters told me about some other deals. You can get an 8 amp hour 21700 cell. You can get a 4 amp hour of the 18650, as well as a 2 amp hour this exact battery right here for $169. So you can get 3, which I do have one of those 4s. That's this. So that 3-pack, I'll just show you guys, is these 3 batteries for $169. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see it. There you go. So these 3 batteries is the 3-pack for $169. But because I have a bunch of these 2s and I don't use the 4 very often, so I'm fine with 1 4. I have 2 8s. I wanted to pick up 2 6s, and he's like, "Oh, hey, the 6s just went on sale." So this is an 18650. You can tell with the ridges. It says lithium ion on the sticker instead of up here. This is 18650 also. It's got the ridges. And these, you can tell they're 21700 cells because it says lithium ion right here. And the 8 amp hour XR and everything are bigger. So I got this 2-pack of 6 amp hours for literally $69 more than this one 2 amp hour battery. I picked up the 1 3/4 bandsaw, which is the new Extreme Subcompact Series bandsaw, which is Delta Charlie Sam 375 Bravo. I picked up the new 5 3/8 Extreme Subcompact Series circular saw, which is Delta Charlie Sam 512 Bravo. The 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries that are on sale for $169, which is $69 more than one 2 amp hour. You're basically getting 12 amp hours in the 21700 cell high output cells. That is Delta Charlie Bravo 206-2. And the flex kit that I picked up is the hammer drill and the quick eject impact driver, which is kit number Foxtrot X-Ray Mary 202-2 Bravo. That's this kit right here. This is the $349 kit. So I picked up at Home Depot the tape measures as well as the atomic, and I got the two 5 amp hour batteries for free. I didn't have any of the 18650 5 amp hour batteries, so now we can add them to our weights and measurements videos. Not just, you know, a 4, but we'll be able to do the 5 as well. And because we have this 6, we'll be able to do, you know, comparison with a 6 versus an 8. And I will be picking up a lawnmower soon from Dewalt, so we're going to end up getting the 21700 cell 10 amp hours as well, and we'll add those to the videos. So these are the new Atomic Compact Series impact wrenches. I picked up the 1/2 inch and the 3/8. The 1/2 inch is Delta Charlie Frank 921 Bravo, and the 3/8 is Delta Charlie Frank 923 Bravo. So the 3 stands for the 3/8, and the 1 right here stands for the 1/2 inch. And I ended up getting 2 free $159 5 amp hour batteries, 18650 batteries, which are Delta Charlie Bravo 205. And then I picked up this little kit right here from DeWalt's, 14 bucks, blade case and 2 refill packs with double hardened utility blades. I like these little DeWalt cases, and this little case will come in handy because it's pre-set up. You could just drop them in, and you can literally pop your own blades in here if you've got Milwaukee blades or whatever. Tip strength is pretty high. Wear resistant is, it's not very high. Life is medium. This kit is Delta Whiskey Henry Tony 97529. And then and this was bought at Home Depot as well, and this stuff I bought at Tractor Supply. I picked these up mounting bracket kits for 4 flats all the time. These fit perfectly right where the original 4Runner mounts go. They're dang near identical. And I picked up 2 Crescent 2-in-1 extendable layout speed squares, or rafter squares, however you like to call them. They're called layout tool, but these are just like the Husky ones that I bought a while back that I said that the measurements didn't come out properly. Oh, come on. Really? And well, these are also part number Lima Sam Paul 6 Tony Sam Charlie -07. There it goes. So these actually fold out to 12 inches. I picked up 2 of these because I always buy 2 rafter squares when I buy rafter squares of any kind. But that is everything that was picked up for that stuff. I have lots of batteries in here. I do like the compact 4s as well as the compact 3s, these guys right here, which are 21700s. But I picked up quite a bit. There will be lots and lots of upcoming videos on these. We're going to be doing head-to-heads with tons of other impact drivers and hammer drills. And just wanted to show you guys what was picked up. Just a quick tool haul. I threw everything into one tool haul. The 16 and the 25, these are the new Tough Series tape measures. They are Delta Whiskey Henry Tony 36916. The 16 stands for 16 inch. And then this one right here is a 25 inch. It's Delta Whiskey Henry Tony 36925 for 25 foot. And I also have the 35 foot sitting right here. I really like these because these have the magnetic attachments. You can actually detach the magnet from them, which I have it left on this one. But these are nice, and the 35 is Delta Whiskey Henry Tony 36935 for 35 foot. But I figured I'd show you everything I picked up. It's a quick video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Do have a bunch of stuff from Harbor Freight, or not Harbor Freight, but Walmart, that we'll do a video on as well. Maybe, you know, gift idea you guys could do. But that is all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys liked the video. Stick around for the unboxings, the weights and measurements, specs videos, and the introduction to the channel videos, and the testing videos. Appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And one last thing, today is Wednesday, November 24th, 2021. So I did get this before the December 31st deadline to get the lifetime warranty. If you get this after the Flex Kit, any Flex tools, if you get them after December 31st, 2021, you'll only get a 5-year warranty for the tool, batteries, and chargers. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!